Students, are you ready to say the birds' names?
Yes.
Yes. Ready? Start.
This is a peacock. It has long feathers. I like peacocks. This is a pigeon. It is grey or white. I like pigeons. This is an eagle. It is big. It flies high. I like eagles. This is a duck. It is short. It can swim. I like ducks. This is a hen. It is black. It is black or red or brown or grey. I like hens. This is a sparrow. It is small. I like sparrows. This is a quail. It is small. I like quails. This is a myna. It is black and yellow. I like mynas. This is lamb. It is black. I like those. It is a parrot. It has a red beak. I like parrots. This is a cuckoo. It is black. It can sing. I like cuckoos. This is a woodpecker. It has a short beak. It picks at trees. I like woodpeckers.
Woodpecker.
This is a crane. It has long legs and a long back. I like cranes.
Super.